that whatever funds, whatever amount of money that is paid, either for approval, because we saw it fit to divide the approval process and the testing process. In the bill, Senator Momo, and I would suggest that you come up with this amendment, we have to separate and put a two-level, where the testing is strictly done by KEBS, Kenya Bureau of Standards, to be able to test the levels of those nicotines. If we now say that we are going to reduce from 20 to 10. Number two, I hate the fact that we are ending this because I really wanted to be able to articulate this, but I only have 30 seconds. But in those 30 seconds, let me put it this way. Hopefully I'll have more time. We are going to separate between the testing and the approval. The ministry does not have the capacity to test. KEBS have the capacity to test. The money that comes out, our colleagues were even of the opinion, which I subscribe to their school of thought, that the money which is paid by either the importers, either the manufacturers, should actually be put in the kitty of SHA to be able now to focus on preventive, because there is a fund, and this bill talks about that fund. It talks about a tobacco fund, or is it, I don't know, preventive fund?
Senator Olekina, I would love to have you conclude your comments on this particular bill tomorrow when we resume. You still have got 11 minutes to dissect and align with the bill from Senator Muma. Now, Honorable Senators, it's now 6:30 p.m. Time to adjourn the Senate. The Senate therefore stands adjourned until tomorrow, Wednesday, 30th of July, 2025 at 9:30 a.m.